one learning from today's session, beginning with Pranav.
Sir, our eye contact, our posture, our confidence, our way of speaking, all matters in personal communication.
Right, and now we have what is known as National War Memorial. Okay, where Amar Jawan Jyoti was merged with. Yes, Jaren.
I have learned that breath control is really important while giving a speech or having a talk.
That's right. Breath control very essential, and Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I have learned that structure your presentation in such a way that includes only essential points.
And when you write on board, then tell labeling to people what is bellows. Okay. Yes.
I have learned that learning is a continuous process, but when it is indulged with the funny blocks, it becomes more learning.
So smile and humor becomes very essential, be it New Delhi or Kathmandu.
So try to be more interactive with your audience.
And your name, be happy, Khush, be brave, Veer. Then you are Khushveer.
Active listening helps to understand the people's perspective better and to connect with the person better.
And always say thank you to your predecessor.
You should take various pause after speaking.
That's right. Don't be breathless. Okay. Thank you, Tushar, for your opening act. Jyoti ji.
Present your thoughts with clarity, confidence, and smile, and always be on time.
Yes, be punctual.
There are different modes of medium to communicate, not just speaking, writing, visuals, and even without speaking you can show your communication.
And what did you learn from the character of Hari?
Character में कभी नहीं आना चाहिए.
And the turnaround can happen.
Yeah,
turnaround can happen. And the guy who brought the turnaround. Yes.
Listening is as important as speaking.
Yes. So Anil के किरदार से क्या सीखा आपने?
Patience and the goodness in one's heart can convert anyone.
That's right. Kindness. और मृत्यु दंड. नहीं, जीवन जीना है हमें. Yes.
We should be confident and we should try to bring our professional expertise in common things in our
Thank you. And Ankit was one of the first to give feedback this morning. Thank you very much.
So today, my learning for today is be precise with your thoughts, and your research should be insightful.
Right. And don't vote till the time you know the budget, right? No freebies.
My learning was that you should be expressive when you present yourself in the public.
Right. And I will answer more
I
questions
will answer more questions.
than just Mr. Jonas answer, right? Yes.
My learning is that apart from having great content, you should be expressive enough in your presentation.
Thank you, Shubh.
My learning is that while speaking, have a good smile and be an attentive, good listener.
Thank you, Aman.
I think analyzing allows us to see things differently with multiple perspectives, which also helps us to boost our confidence.
Thank you, Ankit.
So
Anshul.
I learned that visualization is very important while presenting something. Don't just do favicol at it.
That's right. Absolutely. Yeah, move, create something. Visuals also very important, just like words.
I have learned that visual presentation is also important along with the words.
Thank you, Prabhat.
Pauses and smile is very important.
Thank you.
Always have a questioning mind.
Thank you, and listen. And listening as well. Yes.
You should always try new things, take an initiative to do new things, learn new things.
Thank you, Aditi.
Your content should have emotions so that audience can be connected.
Thank you, Risha ji.
Confidence and smile के साथ deliver करना content.
Thank you, Hansraj.
You should use proper teaching aids while presenting your content.
Okay, Chaitanya, you were very good when you talked about that third Kavyansh, where we talked about Ranti Dev and Dadij and Karan. Very good.
I teach today that while communicating, we should smile and we should be confident and more visual.
Thank you, Avinash. Ashwini.
Be free, calm, and expressive.
Right. And thank you for coming in early, Vinashji. You, Ashwini, and the team members were the first to come. Yes.
I would say gratitude, gratefulness for what you have.
Okay. Thank you.
Express yourself confidently with a smile.
Okay. Have we covered everyone? Yes. So, guys, thank you so much. I just want to say one thing, that if you are prefixing C against your name, make sure you're very clear in one line. The objective of your life is to ensure economic prosperity for every household. I hope together we'll make it happen. Thank you very much. Thank you.